Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you want to monetize your Instagram account, let's dive into some practical ways you can earn money directly through the platform. Let's follow these few simple steps. The first step is to set up a professional account. You can start by switching to a creator or a business account by navigating to settings, account, and then switch to a professional account, just like this. Open your Instagram app on your mobile phone and then go to your profile picture and click on it. After that, click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and then go in business tool and control. I already switched to a professional account, so I'm gonna go here in business control and click on switch account type right here, and you can switch to a personal account or creator account. To earn money, you have to switch either between creator account or a business account. As you can see, I'm already in a business account, so I'll continue. The second thing is leverage affiliate marketing. Share product links in your bio or stories and earn commissions for every sale generated through your links. You can modify your add the posts to your add the link to your bio by clicking on edit profile and then change the bio. As you can see, I typed in the bio DM for collaboration. You can copy and paste the link. It's having trouble refreshing. See here. Yeah, this is the one. Yeah. The third thing you can do is collaborate with brands. Work on sponsored posts or brand partnerships. You can find collaboration through platforms like Aspire or Upfluence. The fourth thing you can do is use Instagram shopping. If you sell products, set up an Instagram shop to showcase your items directly. And for the fifth and final step, you can monetize content by enabling subscription and badges in lives or real bonuses if eligible. For additional tips, build an engaged audience by posting consistently and interacting with followers, and focus on a niche to attract brands and followers interested in your content, and also monitor Instagram's insight to understand what resonates with your audience. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you make money on Instagram. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.